The following will illustrate how easy it is to add a humidifier to your oxygen concentrator. You will see a maximum line and minimum line on the humidifier bottle. Remove the humidifier cap from the bottom. Fill the humidifier with distilled water to the level indicated between minimum line and maximum line. Replace the humidifier cap and securely tighten. Attach the oxygen tubing from to the humidifier bottle. Attach the humidifier bottle adapter to the oxygen concentrator by turning the wing nut on humidifier bottle clockwise until the humidifier bottle is securely fastened. Attach the canola supply tubing to the humidifier bottle outlet. Adjust the nasal cannula so that it is properly aligned on your face. Power on the concentrator by pressing the on and off button.